Alright. Oh, alright, Chris, how you doing? Yeah, I'm alright. As it happens. Got some work sorted out for the weekend. Nice trip all the way down to West Wales. Fit a compressor, ride all the way back. Yeah, get a nice bit of overtime in. Yeah. Alright, Chris. Oh, you're doing really well for yourself there. Yeah, I know I am. Getting the money in. Alright, anyway, what we doing today then? Right, well, what it is, they've got us booked in to do some maintenance. Yeah? Alright, what kind of maintenance are we doing? Right, well, what it is, they want us to jet wash these big evaporators. Right? So we're going to get up on the scissor lift, and yeah, we're going to get them jet washed. Alright, yeah. Well, why are they doing this then? Well, what it is the old drains keep getting blocked. Fills the evaporator drip trays up with water, and it's cascading down. Yeah, it's like a fucking monsoon season in Thailand. All right, well, I don't know about that. I've been there a few times, haven't I? Yeah, you have, you dirty bastard. And hey, don't be like that. Like, yeah, I know what you get up to with them lady boys. Anyway, right. So we're gonna get up there now. Alright, give him a good, now, what we're gonna do, right, now, Steve, I know you like to do a good job, don't you? Yeah, I do, I'm known for it, you know. Yeah, well, I'm known for not doing a fucking good job. We're gonna get in and out. Alright. You know the maintenance manager? Yeah, I've met him. He's a hard taskmaster, isn't he? Yeah, you're right. He's a total fucking prick, right? And he's on my case, yeah? So, what we're gonna do, yeah, alright, what are we gonna do, Chris? I'll tell you now if you just shut up for a minute. Right, alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna swill them through, yeah? And, well, you say swilling through, Chris, but shouldn't we taking the drip trays down and, you know, getting right through them, like, you know, and getting all the silt out, all that black shit? No, Steve, that'll take us forever. All we're gonna do is we're gonna start at one side, and we're gonna get the pressure wash on, and try and move all the shit down the drains. Yeah? Well, isn't that gonna block the drains even more? Getting all the shit out of the drain pans and sending them right down the drains, like. You know, yeah, well, maybe, but, you know, let's try, right? I think it's better, Chris, if we just undo the drip trays and onto the scissor lift and just take them down and completely clear them out. You must be fucking joking, mate. Absolute loads of work. Not doing it, right? And also we got to do as well is we got to avoid that fucking maintenance manager. Yeah, he's on my case. I'm sure he's got my number, and we need to stay away from him, right? All right, Chris. All right. Well, we'll get up there and do it, and I'll hope for the best. Yeah, hope for the best. Right then, mate. Good. Right. I'll see you down there. All right then. All right, Chris. Bye.